it's me, Jackie. Good morning to you guys.